Hey guys, it's Aubrey from the Corrigan Sisters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken cacciatore. This is so good, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to make. The chicken is so flavorful and tender, but the best part of it is that it's healthy. So without further ado, let's get started. To make this, you will need 1½ teaspoon salt divided. Use 1 teaspoon for seasoning the chicken and ½ teaspoon for the sauce. 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. ½ teaspoon black pepper, 2 bell peppers chopped, and we are using 2 different colors, 2 tablespoons pressed garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 1 can diced tomatoes, and we are using fire roasted, sliced olives for topping, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, and 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts. Cut chicken breasts in half lengthwise to make 4 even cutlets. Place between plastic wrap and pound with a tenderizer until 1/3 inches thick. In a large skillet over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon olive oil and the 4 chicken cutlets. Season with salt and pepper. Cooking for 2 minutes on each side. Now flip and season the other side with the remaining salt and pepper. Remove the chicken from the skillet. Now add just a drizzle more of olive oil and add in 1 medium onion diced and 2 tablespoons of pressed garlic. Cook until the onions are translucent. Add in 2 bell peppers chopped and season with ½ teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. Cook for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add in 3 tablespoons tomato paste, stirring until fully incorporated. Lastly, add in your canned tomatoes. Add the chicken back in and cook for 5 more minutes. Garnish and top with chopped parsley and olives. Alright, so this is all ready, and we garnished it with some parsley and black olives. This is such a flavorful dish and is an easy weeknight dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you next time.